Today, we're going to make our very own cute robot. It's super easy, and you can follow along with the instructions right here. Ready? Let's start. Page 1. First, using yellow filament, draw the robot's 2 cute little eyes. Aww. Next, draw a yellow square. Now draw another yellow square for the front and back of the body. Now let's switch to blue filament. Draw the head sides. Nice and steady. Next, draw the top of the head. Ooh, look at all those robot parts. And then the bottom of the head. Perfect. Now, using blue filament, draw the main head frame. Remember, leave holes for the eyes. Now grab the cute yellow eyes we made earlier and gently place them in. Okay, draw the next blue side piece. And one more to complete the set. Nice! Now we have all the panels ready. All right, assembly time. Start putting the pieces together carefully. Add a little filament along the edges to help everything stick nice and strong. Go slow, nice and steady. And remember, kids, watch out for your fingers. Keep attaching the panels until the head forms a neat little box shape. And ta-da! Your blue robot head is done. Cute. Let's jump into page 2. First, draw a square and a circle. This will form into its legs later. Next, draw a yellow square, and then 2 more yellow squares for the body panels. Nice and steady. Back to blue filament. Draw another blue square and 1 more circle base for the cylinder. Take the blue square and circle and begin forming your cylinder leg. Wrap and connect the edges, then spread a bit of filament around it to seal them together. And that's 1 robot leg done. Let's make another one. A bit of filament, bend them together, and yep, you guessed it, more filament. Then we place the circle, add some filament again, and perfect. Now we'll need 1 more yellow square for the body. Once done, let's grab all the yellow pieces and start combining the body panels. Now this part's a lot of fun, isn't it? Kinda like building something with Legos. Nice and steady. Let's add a little bit more filament and attach the remaining pieces to complete the box. Here goes the last piece. Some filament, and there we go. Robot's body done. Now we're gonna use a different color, orange. We're gonna draw both arms. Ooh, look at those arms. Your robot is getting ready for big robot waves. Now let's set these pieces aside and draw 1 more foot. Nice and steady. Great, all the parts are ready. Let's start combining the feet pieces. We're gonna add a little bit of filament, stack the pieces together, then press them gently so it gets more secured. Once we have the base structure of the foot, we can start adding more filaments on top to slowly sculpt the shape to look like your favorite shoe. Just take your time. This part can be tricky. Looking awesome! Now another one. Again, we're gonna polish it to make it smoother. Something like that. Now all the parts are ready to be assembled. Back to page 1 for assembly. Take the cute little shoe and put it together. 1 more for the other limbs. And here goes the shoe. There, we have both legs for the robot. Now we can glue them onto the body. Feel free to add more filament to make it more steady. Now let's glue them both to the body and see if this little guy can stand. A little wobbly. Let's try it again. There we go. Look at those baby cutesy legs. Anyway, let's give him a hand. 1 arm there, and 1 more here. And now we're gonna make the robot's neck. Draw that little circle and the strip. This will be the robot's neck to attach its big head. Also, don't forget the little antenna so that the robot can connect to space. Now we're gonna put the neck together. Let's put a bit of filament around the edges here. And we place the circle we did earlier over here to give it a neck. Give it a little bit of filament. And lastly, we connect the big head together. Oh wait, something's missing. Oh, that's right, the antenna. Let's fix that first. Attach the antenna to the top of the head. Now we can connect the head to the body. Carefully attach the neck to the body, and for the final touch, let's give our robot a big, happy smile. Ta-da! Your robot is complete and ready for action. Amazing job, kids! What should we build next? Let us know. Bye!